Hello, is this Jake?
Yeah, speaking.
Hi there, this is Mike calling from Remac. I understand you've been considering various properties. Are you at the point of actively searching for a home, or are you still weighing your options?
I'm just browsing right now.
That's understandable. Buying a home is a big decision, and it's important to take your time and make sure you're ready before you take the plunge. I can help you assess your financial situation and make sure you're in a good position to buy.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, that would help.
Great. I'd be happy to help you with that, to provide you with the most fitting selections. Could I ask what type of property you're primarily interested in? For instance, are we focusing on condos, townhouses, or detached homes?
I'm focusing on condos primarily in downtown Toronto.
Condos are a great choice for downtown living. They're typically more affordable than detached homes, and they offer a variety of amenities such as gyms, pools, and security. To further narrow down our search, are there specific features you're prioritizing? This could be things like proximity to schools, a particular number of bedrooms, or perhaps a garden space.
Well, I think it's important that it's close to a public transport station.
That's a great point. Public transportation is a great way to get around downtown Toronto. It's also a more affordable option than owning a car. Thank you for sharing that. See, we have a range of condos that match your criteria. Meeting with one of our expert agents would be extremely beneficial for you. They can offer extensive insights in present homes that fit your needs. I'd like to propose setting up a consultation. Would any specific day or time work best for you?
Yeah, I think Wednesday, 10 a.m. would work the best.
Great. I'll book you in for a consultation with one of our expert agents on Wednesday at 10 a.m. They'll be able to help you find the perfect condo in downtown Toronto. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.
Thanks, man.